YouTube, man, welcome back to the channel, man. You already know who it is, man. Your boy Ricky, Life Ricky. Checking back in. Another video, man. You new to the channel, man. Make sure you subscribe, turn on post notification bell, because y'all already know, man. We going up all 2025. I know I don't be posting on my YouTube channel like that, man, because I be having so much other stuff that I'm tending to. You know what I'm saying? My daughter running track, all kind of other stuff, man. So my time really been invested in all of that. But I'm doing some work to the Chevy today. I got my engine bay ready for the motor to be dropped in. I'm just waiting on a couple more of the little pieces to come in the mail. Where I got the alternator coming. I got the wire harness coming. What else I got coming? I got a couple more other stuff coming too, man. The stuff for the power steering, I got all that coming in the mail. Got my engine bay all painted up. I don't know if y'all can remember, but it was a big ass hole right there, which I fabricated. I got some new motor mounts on the car. Them shit kicked my ass too, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. But I'm just really trying to get the car running, man. Since I had this car, shit, damn near going on 4 years. So I'm just trying to get the car running, man. But a lot of other stuff, man, I'm gonna change along the way. So y'all know y'all gotta just stay tuned to the channel. Put the motor right here. I got the coil packs and all that on. Got the pulleys on, all that, power steering. Well, I changed the valve covers, motor mounts, all of that. Man, I got these motor mounts from CPR Performance. That's also the same shop that rebuilt my motor for me. I went with the black in the brush combo, man. Like I said, my alternator, I'll be here soon. But I've been getting a lot done with the car, man. I got these wires situated. Don't even worry about the wires right now. But yeah, man. What else? Oh yeah, I was doing the bumpers over too. So, which I got the inside done already. But I know a lot of people, they be painting inside their bumpers and stuff for other little products and stuff like that. But I went with the bed liner. This is something different that I was painting. But I went with the bed liner, man, because it gets so hard. You get what I'm saying? So I feel like that'll last longer. Don't worry about the little overspray right there. I'm going to clean all that up. But I went with the bed liner stuff, man, because it's a little harder. I don't know if a lot of y'all know about the bumpers on box Chevys. I don't know about any other old school, but I know on these cars, man, they come in like, what, 3-4 pieces, just the inside piece. And I got the other piece right there, another piece right there. But I was just sanding this down because I'm about to paint this black and put it back. Just sit it in there though, because I'm gonna get new bolts and stuff for it too. But what else, man? I know y'all like, damn, boy, Ricky had this car for a minute. Damn, sure did. But it's a transmission, 4L80. I got new sensors and all that coming. I got a new pan for it too, which I bought off Marketplace. Let me show y'all that. Yeah, if any of y'all want this seat right here, man, I got it, man. You had to clean it, got a little pollen and stuff on it, man, but it's the pan right here. Or whatever, so I gotta put that on. But what else, man? Oh yeah, a lot of people was telling me I could have reused the stock trans cross member too, but we're gonna see how that go. But like I say, man, the car clean, bro. The car clean. I just wasn't messing with the car, to be honest. You get what I'm saying? Because I had to move it out of the garage and bring it to this unit right here. But got everything towed down in the damn inside. However, I thought about selling this car so much times, bro, but I got to see it through. Got some of the parts in the trunk. Some little stuff in here. A little shoddy. But like I said, I got the wire harness coming too. So like I said, my main goal is, man, is to get oil pressure, bro. That's it. That's the main goal. I did all this over, bro. Literally, it was all this shit was rusted. All this what y'all see was rusted, bro. I got a new steering shaft coming too. Got a new steering shaft. Got the suspension. Got to get the suspension right. Suspension parts, steering parts, and all that. But like I say, man, this my third old school, but this my first old school where I'm actually changing the motor, changing a lot of different other shit. Any other old school I ever had, all I did was painted it and put rims on it. But this one going a little different. I said I'm gonna change this side. I literally changing everything out, bro. Or whatever, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned to this build. But also, man, I'm going to Dump Master got a show today. So I'm gonna go to a Dump Master show after I finish wrap up what I gotta wrap up here. I just wanted to show y'all the progress on the box Chevy, let y'all know I'm actually working, bro. It just shit take time, man. Like, I ain't about to be out here goddamn going broke trying to impress no YouTube or whatever. I'm moving at my own pace. You get what I'm saying? So I know a lot of y'all be like, man, post about Chevy, post about Chevy. I ain't gonna lie, like I just ain't. Sometimes this should be my piece to be real. When I come work on my car sometimes, so sometimes I don't even be thinking about grabbing my phone and record for you guys, man. But I'm gonna try to do it more often, man. Y'all just gotta show me more love, man. I can't just be doing this shit for the free. You get what I'm saying? But make sure y'all stay tuned on the video. Watch the video all the way to the end. Go on the Dump Master Car Show. Get y'all some footage. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Y'all see I got on my Harris Boy shirt. Now I gotta support my boys. But y'all already know who it is, man. Your boy Ricky, Life for Ricky. Another video. Like, comment, subscribe.
Somebody get my shoes.
go down together.
Man, he want to go down there with him. A teen Carnage. Alright, YouTube, man. Like I promised, man, I'm gonna get y'all a little walk around video. See what's going on out here. Well, they look good. I got the cheese out there. See what's going on. Clean living. See what's going on out here, man. Ooh, that's this about slick interior. What it say? Get you right. Ooh. Go for the pressure. Got the colors. My homeboy Adam coming out with clean colors too, man. Cut out a whole line for y'all. Got Scooby over there.
Back then I had a
Carnage. Get y'all some good footage, man. Y'all be saying I don't be posting like that, man. Think it's chain gang racing? Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Got boozed out to the man. Motherfucking time. Good.
You didn't change your style, nigga. I've been knowing this nigga how long. This nigga ain't there with me.
I am gonna post it, nigga. Hey, who the? What you mean I ain't gonna post it, bro? Nah, nigga, you gonna see yourself on YouTube right now, nigga. What you mean I ain't gonna post it, bro? What you mean I ain't gonna post it? I don't be posting like that, bro? I fell off?
I didn't say you fell off. You just don't post.
You know you want to say I fell off. I fell off. I fell off, bro.
I was looking for you at the J in Middle Georgia.
I was out there. Cut the check show?
Yeah.
I was out there, bro.
Who posted that video first, though?
I don't know. Who posted it first?
That's the problem. You gotta get yours out there first.
Bro, I did posted it first, bro.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did. Go back and look. I posted it the next morning.
I swear somebody else's video before yours because I watched theirs.
Nigga, I posted it the next morning. Go look, bro. Go on my channel.
Oh, now you capping.
I ain't capping, nigga. What the fuck you talking about, nigga? Are you subscribed to my channel, bro? I'm trying to figure something. Are you subscribed to my channel, bro?
I got no service.
Now this nigga, yo, nigga, hold on, bro. What the fuck going on, bro?
You know.
You do videos? Why you want to do videos? You worry about me not posting on my shit. Why the fuck you want to
I
do?
be wanting to watch the races, man.
Oh, you just want to watch this shit?
I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. It's really dying down.
It is though.
Dying down.
I was trying to focus on building my car, bro. Get my car right, bro.
The motivation ain't there because it's dying down.
That's what I'm saying. But I had oil pressure before June. Bet that. Bet I had oil pressure before June.
I don't really care about if your motor can start.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna get down the track.
I ain't racing it.
In June.
I ain't racing my car. Yeah, I'm just building it. I'm just building it, bro.
You know how you, but think about this though. You already doing YouTube. Imagine you racing and doing YouTube.
So if I get out there and I lose, would you still respect me?
Yeah.
Say less. I'm not racing it.
You don't think don't mess with me losing?
Why? Hey, please don't call him out of. Don't say that on my channel because then they'll be like, why you in? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I remember
you know how they.
little thing.
You feel me? You know how they do me, bro.
Still doing your thing though, so.
Appreciate you, bro.
And you still sporting.
Still sport. I'm out here. Come on, man. Got Team Carnage, man. Let me get y'all a test patch real quick.
Rico is the man. Rico is the man, and y'all need to follow through and stop the bullshit and subscribe.
What's your name? What's your name though?
Eric Osborne, Sumter, South Carolina.
You from Sumter?
Yeah.
Bro, I lived in Sumter for like 5 years. I swear to God, and I'm about to move back.
Come back.
Come back?
Yeah. Hey, yo, this shit is real out here. And G-Dog cool too, but Rico is the shit.
That's it. Cut that shit right there.
Cut that shit.
Keep that shit
It's my
wrong.
nigga.